Today we'll be designing a paper towel holder using this drawing of some reusable paper towels. We'll need the height dimension, the inside diameter right here, and the outside diameter of the paper towels. First thing we're going to want to do is open up a new model. We're going to want to sketch and click the click on the plane, then view to normal sketch plane. We're going to want to make a circle, and this circle's going to want to be about 4 inches. We're going to extrude, make it 1 inch. Then we're going to want a cavity for the paper towels to sit in, so we'll need to sketch, view to normal plane, make another circle. This one's going to be about 3.75 inches. Sorry, 3.5 inches. That looks a little bit better. Otherwise it'd be too thin. We're going to extrude, and instead of adding, we're going to remove. And we don't want to cut out the whole thing, so we'll make this 0.75 inches. And we'll want a spot for the paper towels to come out of. So we don't want this to encircle all the paper towels. So let's go back to the sketch. And we'll want to create a cut, essentially, or add a few lines so it doesn't go around the entire circle. Go here, and here, here, and here. And if we press OK on our sketch, that's still extruding everything. So we can go back to our extrude. And click on this guy. There we go. Now there's a little spot for the paper towels to come out of. And now we're going to need the stem for the paper towel holder. So we'll want to create a sketch right here. We're going to want a circle. And this circle only needs to be about 1 inch. And if we go back to our drawing, the paper towels are going to be 11 inches tall. So we'll want to extrude that out 11 inches. Like so. Then you don't really want the paper towels slipping off the top, right? So we'll need probably a bigger circle up here. And our inside dimension for the paper towels was 1.335. So if we make this about 1.25, the paper towels should slip over it, but it should give enough of a ledge to where it doesn't pull off every time you take off a paper towel. We're going to extrude that. Let's do that 0.5 inches. Press OK. And then we're not going to be able to 3D print this out with a ledge like that, or you're going to have to add support. So let's add a chamfer right there so we don't have to add that extra work. And that should work right there. Actually, if you look at our circle, it's actually offset a little bit. So, actually, this circle is offset. So we can do coincidence and click on both, and that should line them up into the center. And There we go. Now this has a few rough edges to it, so we'll add our fillets, and that should be the end of this project. Ooh. And it looks like the fillet is a little bit too big, so we'll do 0.0625. Make sure to get our corners. And that's our paper towel holder. If you like the design, please make sure and like the video and subscribe. Thank you.